going on down here? Like a woodland mine? This is pretty cool. Aqua dashes allows the wearer to walk. Oh, Oee! Never mind, guys. We found something good. Okay, so I can't double this up, so I will no longer be immune to fall damage, but I can run on water like Dash from The Incredibles. So, this is pretty cool. Yo! It sounds like I'm fucking jerking off. Listen to that. That's the most disgusting sound of all time. Alright, everybody. I'm gonna go away, but enjoy the sounds of me running over water and definitely not doing anything else. See you tomorrow, guys.